Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. And when I'm posting this, it is Valentine's Day, so I'm wishing you all a happy Valentine's Day. Whether you are in a relationship, married, it's complicated, single, I am here to show you some love. It's not just about lovey-dovey relationship love. It's also just to show your friends, your family, your loved ones, just to celebrate love. So here I am giving you two options. I am doing a versus half makeup look today, so I am going to be doing love on this side and not so love on this side. So it's going to be all pretty pinks, reds and all that jazz this side, and this side is going to be all miserable blacks, browns, I don't know what else you want to call it. So they are my two verses today, so I'm going to get into it. I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation. I am using the Ordinary foundation. This is coverage, high coverage, so let's whiz into that. So now that is done, I am just going to quickly go in and set it because I have got too many wrinkles on my forehead for there to not be any powder there. So I'm going to quickly go ahead with some powder. So, powder's done. I'm going to go in with my eyes first. Now my forehead is done with that powder. So, I'm going to do this eye first, which I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution chocolate palette. This is the Red Velvet, which has got the essence of Jeffree Star blood sugar in it. So, first I am going to take a big fluffy brush. Where's my big fluffy brush? Where's my big fluff? Oh, found it. So I'm going to take my big fluffy brush, go in with cheesecake. No, I'm not. I'm going to go in with cream cheese, which is this centre one. It is a... No, I'm not. Oh, my mirror. It's okay, the mirror's fine. Am I going to go in with that one? Yes, I'm going to go in with cheesecake. Why do I keep calling it cheesecake? It's cream cheese. So, cream cheese. Just go all over so I can carry on putting more colours on top. Sorry, excuse me. Now I've gone in with cream cheese. I'm going to take... Which one am I going to take? Tart. No, I'm not. I'm going to take Treat, which is that one. Is there one called Tart? Maybe that's the actual Jeffree Star one. So Treat. I'm going to go round. Then I am going to take Crumbs, which is this red, like brick burgundy reddish. No, not actually. I'm going to take what's that? Patisserie. I'm going to take this one. So now I am actually going to go in with the pink. So the pink is called Beetroot. So I'm going to take a different brush because I really want that pink to pop. And it's really a strong pink colour. So now I want to try a glitter on top of that. Actually, do I want a glitter on top of that? Yes. I'm going to go in with brown sugar, and I'm going to use the brush that I was using, the pink. So brown sugar, I'm going to start in with a corner. And then to go underneath, I am going to go in with Treat. So I am happy with my eye. Now I'm going to go in with mascara, which I'm going to go in with Worth the Hype from NYX. And it is so weird doing this eye first. So that lash is done, but I'm not finished there. I'm going to attempt to do a love heart on my cheek, so I am going to carve it out with the Makeup Revolution Pro Supreme Dip Liner. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is where it all goes wrong. Oh, how am I meant to do? How am I going to do this? So heart is done. Now I am going to carve it out with the beetroot pink. So I'm taking a fine brush. So I've put a pink around it. Now I've got a pink heart sequin that I'm going to wet and then place or lose it. Right. Well, at the back, hopefully it will stick. Stick there, and then I am going to dust it with a pink fluffy brush. Get the red on my brush. Oh, I've got so much rubbish in front of me. So, see if this works. Yeah. Oh, that looks rubbish, but it'll do. So now I'm going to go in with a bit of highlighter. Now the highlighter I'm going to use is, first I'm going to go in with a liquid highlighter, which is the Obsession Makeup liquid highlighter. I'm going to take a bit on my finger. That's a lot actually. Make it shine to let all the boys know that I am ready to glow. So it doesn't look that poppy now, but if you add the bleeding heart from I Heart Makeup, I normally do, but I'm liking that. So only one thing left for that side is lips. So I'm going to put the lid back onto that, and again I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip. Any occasion, I just love this stuff. They have brought out so many colours in this now, I'm so excited. And half is done. So now on to the dark and mysterious I Hate Valentine's Day look. First I am going to take the Taxi palette. Love this. If you haven't seen me using this before, check out my videos, I'll be linking them at the end. I'm just going to go straight in with the black, because why not? And then I'm going to take the green to soften the top. And then the green again. The green I am using is this colour. Love it. I feel like the blackness is very, very strong. So I'm just going to take a light brown to see if I can't cut it up. So that's cut up a bit. I'm going to take the like a chocolate brown underneath. And that is very, very dark. Completely opposite to this happy side. So then the next palette I'm going to use is the Model's Own. This is a cream palette, and I'm going to take this colour here, but I am going to use my phalanges. And then just pat it across. Oh, I like that. That is completely opposite. So, am I done with that one? Am I? No. I'm going to take a bit of this highlighter, which is Galaxy Girl from Technique. If I can open it. This is where we have the issues again. Got it. So, I'm going to take another fluffy brush, bit on that, and just tap it in the corner. Can you see? I'm liking it. So now I have done the eye. I'm going to go in with mascara, which is just exactly the same one. Mascara is done, and now I'm going to go in with a bit of a broken heart artwork, which I'm going to take a black eyeliner and do like a broken heart, or attempt a broken heart. So that is my broken heart. Do I want to do anything to that? I'm going to colour it in black. So I'm going to go in with the black from the Taxi palette. And then just go inside. And that is my broken heart. Very dark. What next? Highlighter. I'm going to use this Galaxy Girl highlighter. Oh, I shut it. Then just... Oh, I love this highlighter. It's amazing. Gives the heart a bit of a glow. Just because my broken heart is all broken, it doesn't mean that it can't glow. That is just all my essence bursting out. Wow. And then the only left, I can't talk. And now the only thing left to do is my pucker lips. So I'm going to go in with a NYX suede liquid suede even. I think this is Jet Set. Is this the colour Jet Set? No, Stone Fox, which is like a grey colour. Oops. And that is my lips. Am I done? Am I done? Am I done? I think so. Let's bring you in for a closer look. So this is the dark and mysterious side, my broken heart. Love this colour set in my eyes. And then this is the other side. The heart's a bit wonky, but I am liking it. Oh, I love doing the two-tone lips. So yes, that is my Valentine's versus anti-Valentine's look. What is your favourite side? Let me know now. What is your favourite side? Let me know down below. And I should see you all in my next video. So it's a goodbye from me, Matt, and a goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.